Welcome back. Once you have created a product inside of the sales system, this is where you are going to create the link or the buy button for your customer to click on in order to make a purchase. We're now inside of ThriveCart. What you're going to see here is that there is an element here called Get URL. That in effect is going to be the link that your customer is going to eventually click on from any site that you determine. And so, for example, assuming that we are using this button on this specific page, what we would do is we would look for the link for us to associate with this particular button. We will then paste in the link so that when the customer clicks on it, they'll be able to be taken to a specific checkout area. So we have placed our link, we have created the button. The customer would then click this button and be taken to the checkout page. And effectively, when the customer clicks, they'll then be taken to our shopping cart, which we have now integrated with the buy button. We can do the same thing inside of a course platform. We can create a link or buy button. We can then take that link and place it on any page for the customer to click and be delivered to a product within this sales system and website. And we can do the same thing within an affiliate network. We're going to be able to create a specific code associated with a specific product. We'll then be able to copy that code. We'll then be able to place that code on any website that we control. We can then paste the HTML code. We can then save it to our site. And then when we preview the site, the customer will then see a buy button associated with the product that we have created. They can then click this button to go through the checkout process and be taken to the product that we have set up on this affiliate network. So regardless of the system we use, we will create a buy button on a sales system connected to our payment processor and connected to a specific product that we have set up. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.